subtraction strategy 2, the dustpan and brush strategy. You use the brush to clean up the number you're subtracting to make it tidy. So remember, when you're cleaning up one side of the sum, you've got to be fair and clean up both sides by the same amount. This strategy is good to use when the number you're subtracting is nearly tidy anyway. So a number that ends in 3 or 4, something like that you can easily make tidy. But you've got to remember to be fair and clean up both sides by the same amount. Let's look at an example. You have $1,870 in savings and you give $345 to Mr. Snell for learning you stuff. How much money do you have left? So obviously this is a giving money away problem, so it's going to be a subtraction. So you have 1,870 and you give away 345. So that's our sum. Now we're going to take out our dustpan and brush and we can clean up the sum number we're taking away, 345, and make it a bit tidier. We can make it 340. We could, if we were more advanced, take off 45 from both sides. If you can do that sort of thing in your head, certainly you can clean off 45 from both sides and that would make it even easier. But let's just take off 5 from this side, and we've got to remember that if we're going to take off 5 from one side, we've got to be fair and take off 5 from the other side. So it goes down from 1,870 to 1,865. 5 from this side, 5 from that side. It's still a nice, fair sum. Then, again, if you're advanced enough, you could just take off 340 in your head. It's quite straightforward to take off 300s and then 40. But if you want to, you can break it down into stages, taking away the 300 first of all. So if you take away 300 from 1865, you get 1565. And then you can take away the 40 from that, and that gets you down to 1525. Whichever way you want to do it is up to you, whether you do it in stages using the chisel, which is what this is, or whether you can just go straight away in your head and see that 865 take away 340 is going to be 525.